The Micro Tire Tester by TEI is an innovative, cost-effective, time-tested method of efficiently inspecting your steel-belted tire casings. TEI pioneered the technology used in the Micro to detect nail holes, bad liner splices, inner liner cracks, and other injuries that cost you and your customer time and money. Using the TEI Micro on your casings can reduce your adjustments, giving peace of mind to you and your customers by helping you create a safer product. The Micro is portable and may be positioned and used at any stage of the retreading process. Use it at incoming inspection, repair, fill and skive, or final inspection. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Micro and its components. The mast, medium truck test probe, control pendant, ground strap, and power cord. If you prefer, you may replace the pendant with an optional foot switch. A variety of probe sizes are available. You may reach us at our toll-free number for parts and service. Please have the TEI serial number available for our staff. Remove all rust and paint on a small spot of the spreader chassis near the tire roller. Attach the clamp from the ground strap of the Micro to the spreader. After positioning the Micro and placing the probe inside the tire, adjust the length of the output wire by varying the loop in the wire. Do not allow the operator, tire, or any other object to come in contact with the wire while the tire is under test. Plug the Micro into a grounded 120-volt outlet. The Micro requires only 3 amps, as indicated at the fuse socket. Turning on the main power switch to the Micro puts the unit into standby mode. A green pilot lamp alerts the user that the Micro is ready to use. An amber lamp lights when the test voltage is on. Select the proper probe for the size tire under test. Spread the tire enough to allow insertion of the probe. Be sure the sidewall wires from the probe are fanned out and fully inserted. Replace these wires and ball chains on the probe when they wear. When the probe is in place, relax the spread to optimize the coverage of the probe inside the tire. You may want to identify the beginning point of the test by marking the tire. Pressing either button on the control pendant or stepping on the optional foot switch will apply test voltage to the tire casing. When the operator manually engages the motor, the probe positions itself on the bottom of the tire as it rotates. Proper direction of rotation will allow the sidewall wires to fan out away from the probe. Do not touch the tire or any metal of the probe while the Micro is testing the tire. The probe detects a flaw in the tire by creating an electrical arc to the injury. After hearing and seeing the arc, manually stop the motor. The operator may better locate the injury by applying test voltage to the probe and manually rocking the probe over the injured area. Arcing outside the tire reveals injuries outside or through the casing. If you don't see the arc inside the tire, it is most likely an outside flaw. The probe may be removed from the tire to allow clear access for visual inspection. TEI has been designing and building equipment for the tire retread industry since 1978. We are confident that the Micro will prove itself irreplaceable in your retreading system and will provide you with years of unparalleled service. We thank you for choosing TEI for your tire inspection needs.